I thought you knew that I did this. You can have him, but he licked it. Banana, then I split it. Talented and gifted. I guess the table shifted. Like a whole brand new bitch. Bussin'. Bitch, I'm bussin'. I feel like a whole.
Alright, so this is gonna start my vlog for this trip. I'm going to Tulum tomorrow. I am don't look at my Chick-fil-A bag. Currently watching Degrassi while I pack my makeup. I just washed my makeup brushes. They're sitting on the counter. I tried to make this extendo nail set, but I hate them. I actually don't like this other set I made either. But that's what we're wearing on vacation. A little pride, a little evil eye, a little looks like fruit, whatever. That's what we have going on. So I'm about to pack my makeup. And then in the morning, all I have to do is throw my brushes in here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of picking out clothes. I'm so mad because my freaking Pretty Little Things package did not get here. I paid extra for it to get here on time, and of course, it doesn't get here on time because my flight leaves at 11 tomorrow. It said it was gonna be here by the end of the day today. It's 8 o'clock. So, luckily I have a whole bunch of shit I can just make looks, even though I should have been packed. But definitely not the looks I had planned that I had in my shopping cart that I paid extra to get here on time, and it's not here. So yay. There's that. But yeah, let's get to packing this makeup. I've been sitting here doing these nails all day because she needed a nail set. Look at me, I got excited. I thought I heard a knock at the door. You thought. But yeah, so that's what I'm on. Let's get to that before we get into this whole ordeal of packing looks, because your neck, it's really a whole ordeal to pack clothes. Hi, Petunia. Hey, mama. Hi. You've been chilling like a villain all day. Hey, girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Where your brother at? Your little bad brother at? Tobias, where are you? I bet you if I hold you long enough, he'll come out. That's my girl. Hi, Toonie. Hi. And I put your butt all in the camera. That's my girl. That's my girl. Oh. Tell the people, hey. All right, for real. Let me get to it. Okay, so I'm pretty much done packing. Got all my products. I try to like lay it in the order that I actually apply it. That's how I pack it, so I know that I have everything. All my brushes are on the counter, so I just have to put those up there later. Got the lips. I be really thinking I'm gonna try something different on vacation, but y'all know I stick with a nude lip, but we bring it anyway. My hand's ashy. Ew. I'm dead. We bring them just in case. I'm really trying to be on a for real vacay sleigh. I'm trying to like pop out with little bits of color, try to play with that a little bit. So we're gonna see. This is what we have. So just gotta put my brushes in, and this is good to go. Now it is on to these freaking outfits. Oh my god. I'm overwhelmed just thinking about this whole process. Jesus Christ. So that whole little clip was to pick out one outfit for one event and a backup. And that was sped up. This takes me forever. Anyway, this is a look. And I'm going to record this. And I'm going to take a picture of it because I feel cute. And with my face beat, I'm going to feel so pretty with my little twist up, little Little do, look at her styling her locks or whatever. She is not basic. She is not one of them. She do a little something. Okay, with the little bang. Okay. All right, but yeah, Rep Dolls, code Tangia20. This is from the new Nao and Rep Dolls edit. Yes, it's a look. It's a look that's gonna have the kids shook. Okay, let me stop because I'm finna be here all night. Back to this, I'll be back. Good morning. So I'm about to leave for my flight, but I need to put on my nail set first. So doing that and watching Degrassi. So I think I'm all packed and ready to go. So hopefully I didn't forget anything. I feel like I overpacked per usual. So don't see what we got.
We need a bigger place.
But our credit, since we're just double our square footage.
Yeah, let me put on this little set
Karma can show us how to
so I can hurry up
and we can find a place with a bigger
and get ready to go. And that's what we have. These are our little nails for our trip. They look kind of cute on camera. They look like mediocre in real life, but they shall be. So that is how you get a fresh set the morning of your trip. And that's on press-on nails are the best. All right, see y'all later. So hot and so hot and I'm sweating already.
Tita.
Tita?
Tita.
Tita?
Yeah. Like
Hi,
Tita.
Okay. Gatita, little cat. Hi. Hi. You look like my friend's cat.
She's so cute.
She was over here chilling. I was trying to get her and she got up. All right. Hi. Ma'am. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Bye. Good morning. It is now Saturday. Yesterday was a lot. Got here, got to the hotel. Like on the way to the hotel, we were talking to their sister, and apparently our hotel overbooked our rooms some of our rooms when we booked in January. So there's really no reason that my room should not be available in June when I actually make it to my destination. But anyway, so the room was unavailable. So like, we're gonna send you to another hotel because we don't have any rooms available. And I saw the other hotel because my sister got there before us and they sent a video, and I'm like, no, that's not what I paid for. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted to do. I had a whole vision. I had planned content for the hotel that I got. I had planned relaxation around the hotel that I had got, and they're trying to send me to a hotel that is not equivalent. And I'm like, bruh, no. And this is not something that I would have picked out on my own. I'm like, I'm not staying, I'm not going. And I still got to pay for it? Oh, hell no. So basically I threw a fit for like 3 hours. Like, I'm just gonna go home. And so at like 8, so we got here like 4. They told me when we got here, like, your room's unavailable, we gotta send you somewhere else. So basically I spent 3 hours sitting in the lobby of the hotel, the other hotel, trying to look for another room. And I found one, but my card for whatever reason would not go through. And you know what? I guess that was just the Lord looking out. Because I was at like 8, I was just exhausted. I hadn't eaten all day. I was tired. I was irritated, frustrated, all of that. And I kind of just like gave in. I was like, well, I'll just stay there, I guess, for the night, or I was gonna buy a regular room for the night. Cause I was gonna go home. I'm like, bruh, no, I'm not gonna pay for nothing that I don't want, I don't like for a whole week. That's hella money wasted. No, I'm not gonna do it. I was gonna go home. So, but I had got tired, so I'm like, bro, just take me to the other hotel, and I'm gonna see how much a mosquito bit me on my butt. I'm like, why my butt itch? I ain't dirty. I'm weak. Finds a mosquito bump. Irritating. They out here, they was eating my ass up for 3 hours. They was eating me up for 3 hours, and I was just I'm just that much of a brat. And when I put my foot down, I put my foot down. So I was just out there getting ate up, being a brat. But anyway, finally get to the other hotel. I'm like, bruh, how much is a room by itself? Because if I accept this room that y'all are trying to give me, you're not gonna give me my deposit back. And this is not where I want to stay. This is not what I want. Y'all not gonna get my money for something that I don't want. So I'm like, how much is a regular room? And while I was asking that question, the guy from the other hotel finally got on the phone with his boss, because I guess he had been calling his boss all day and was not answering, whatever. But finally answered and was like, so what he said is, we're gonna put you over here for 2 days, and then on Sunday, we're gonna come get you and bring you back to the other hotel, and we're gonna give you a free upgrade for the inconvenience. And I said, yes. They said, we're gonna upgrade you to a penthouse. I said, yes. So I'm like, all right, I guess I'll go to sleep. I'll stop being a brat now. So here we are in hotel number one. I'm such a dork. Hotel number 1. I'm about to chill for a little minute before I start getting ready. We're going on a yacht today. I think it's gonna be my day. She doesn't know, I know. So yeah, I'm gonna chill for maybe another hour before I start this process of makeup and getting pretty in the bed process. And yeah, so I'll see y'all later.
Bussin', bitch, I'm what? Money. Ice cold in this